What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something very special, you guys. I told y'all that I'm hooking up my garage. I'm not even done. I have a million more ideas, still doing things. Who knows? I might even add an air conditioner in this place. I love my garage. These ones I really love. These are a new style of lighting that goes outside of your house. So if you don't want to use Christmas lights, if you want something to just stay out, something that looks a little bit different, then these are the style lights to go with. A lot of lighting companies are doing this type of style. So you can use your phone and it's voice controlled. So if you have Alexa or Google, you can tell her to turn it off, turn it on. We are already in the Alexa ecosystem. Unfortunately, Siri, I don't know what goes on with that girl. Anyways, 161 foot of lights. So you have 160 foot with 108 lights. So the threshold is -4 degrees temperature all the way to 140 degrees. So I don't know where you have those type of temperatures, but good luck. All right. Now you do get like negative. I know places begin like -20 degrees and all of that. So I don't know if it will work. I don't know if you will cause damage to your product. Mine is going to stay in the garage. All right. So right here you have the user's manual. Okay. So they give you a little template, basically a quick start guide. So they give you a quick start guide on the back, measuring on the front, or whatever's the back and whatever's the front. Okay. So this is how they broke the lights down. Okay, you have to connect all of them together to get the length that you want. Okay, got it. Oh, wow. So one box have 3, 1, 2, 3. You want to measure your parameter of your house, which means like you just measure your length, or then you measure your width, and then you just add up your parameter, right? And then you go ahead and order. Me, I don't know exactly how I want to set my garage up yet. That's how come I ordered the maximum that I could order. All right, you guys, so we are here, and here we have our extensions. So we're going to save these on something like maybe if we want to move a different direction. We have our big block. This is a big block, you guys. Very heavy, but we will be screwing it up on the ceiling. All right, so we will definitely need to touch this power on box. All right, it shows you how to put it on your house and all of that stuff, all of this good stuff right there. But they don't know that I'm doing something different. So, So it's saying connect it first. Oh, okay. So basically hook everything up first before you turn it on. Like, don't hook this up, turn it on, and then try to hook everything up. Hook everything up first, then turn on everything at once. Clean your surface. We know all that. We are going to be screwing it up. So if you installing this on your house, then you want to install it 2 to 4 inches away from the wall, so the actual light, you'll see the actual glow on the light, instead of, if you're closer, then you'll see this like little light fixture or whatever. So yeah. Anyways, so that would be it. So let's go ahead and get into this install, you guys. It's not that much to the instructions. The instructions basically is not that much on here. All right, we'll get to the app and stuff later. So let's go ahead and install this, just in case y'all want to do the same thing in y'all garage. right, everyone. So I have the lights installed. I did not turn it on yet. We are about to turn it on right now. So here we go. And let's go. OMG. Look at that. That looks so cool. Oh man, it's even better than what I imagined. All right, now this is probably the only thing that I don't like. I don't like how the light. I don't like you can see the light. So I'm gonna put a piece of wood. I'm gonna put a piece of wood border going so the lights can aim downwards. But look at that. Oh, that looks so cool. I like the lights when they aiming down. I don't like them when they aiming forward. I like it when it's aiming down. This is what I like right here. Y'all can let me know if y'all like the lights that you can see. This looks so cool, man. Wow. You know when you imagine things, but it looks better than what you imagined. It came out different in my head. 2 rows, right? I have the extension. We went over this. So this is the long extension right here, in which this was needed, right? The only issue is the short extension. So we have the long extension right here. We have the extra lights. The only issue is only one long extension, and then you have the short extension. This is why I wish that it had 2 long extensions, because what I wanted to do, because I see that I had enough, I wanted to bring the long extension, which I could bring the long extension up here and put the light going straight down and have the light aiming downwards. So we could have the light actually aiming down here too. So I think that would have been nice, and it would have had a nice effect because you would have been back here and you would have just been seeing like lights going straight down. And then I wanted to drag it and come all the way back around here. But the only issue is that the wire on here would have been too short, and it would have been like these wires, but you would have seen the lights coming down and facing out. And I don't want to show my lights on the wall. I want my lights to just show up there and then show on the bottom. So I'm gonna look online to see if they have an extra extension, and then I will redo it to where I can have the lights go up and go through the middle. So that will be very nice. That will be it, you guys. I am happy. I'm happy. All right. But stay tuned, because I am going to put a border so that way the lights can aim down. But let me know if it looks good like this, then I might just leave it like this, But I like the lights aiming down. So that's just me. I like the lights looking like this. All right, so y'all let me know which one of these y'all like. But other than that, that will be it, you guys. Stay tuned. I will be going over the app, going over the different colors they have. I might get another set like this for my outdoors. I might hook this up on my outdoors, you guys. I love the way these lights are. All right, so this is better than string lights to me. These are better than string lights. So that will be it, you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.